Volkswagen Group is navigating a large-scale enterprise digital transformation across its global organization. Across brands and regions, hundreds of legacy systems made modernization difficult to scale. Meet MARV1N, an international software development unit co-governed with Volkswagen Group to accelerate enterprise-wide digital transformation. MARV1N goes beyond traditional managed services to achieve a new level of partnership maturity, bringing together agile delivery, DevOps practices, and industrialized execution to simplify complex IT environments. Today, a global team of experts work to accelerate development, reduce operating costs, and support long-term knowledge transfer. The outcomes? Faster delivery, greater efficiency, a platform designed to evolve with the business. By combining Volkswagen Group's deep business expertise with our global delivery capabilities, MARV1N sets a new standard for long-term strategic collaboration.